The Roof Ninja. Yeah, it's a funny position to be throwing from, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounded positive. Did I mention it's absolutely freezing? It's 1 degree outside at the moment, and yeah, I'm so not going up that ladder. I'm definitely going to pay this man. Okay, Mother has slipped a roof tile, and it's from up there underneath flashing by the chimney pot. Good news! A very dubious friend of mine, Mr. Simon, has come over with a ladder and some rope. Yeah, we're going to get this fixed. Plus, I don't think the wind's helping you. Yeah, not far off at all, bro. Good job. This could be a while you're here moment, couldn't it? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just while you're here, could you, if I give you a bucket...
While you're here, I got some flour and some eggs.
Yeah.
Knock me off the sponge.
While you're here, could you get rid of that that grass in the corner of the gutter for us, mate? Yeah. Yeah. Interesting.
Just wonder what can they fix?
Just before you go up, mate, you have got both those ropes tied together.
Yeah.
So if you end up hanging on one, it won't just zip around the chimney and...
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Sorry for asking. Good work. Yeah, you're on it. Well done. Top on. Right, got to undo those knots, I guess, when you get a decent footing. Well done, mate. Very good show. And just remind me, Si, whilst you're up there, mate, what did you want for this again? Tickets to Nibley, wasn't it?
Strong beer should do it.
Couple of pints of strong beer and tickets to a festival. Brilliant. Excellent. What a super guy. And there it is, piece of rope. Absolutely essential for many everyday tasks. Good work.
Always remember your blue rope.
Always remember your blue rope. Say hello, internet. Look at that again. What was that? You didn't expect to wake up this morning?
Dangling off Harry's mum's roof, a piece of rope. He got the chimney as well, Bill. Yeah.
Fantastic. Go give him a hug, honey. He deserves a big hug for that. Hug and a cup of tea. Yay!
Yeah.